Do you want to complete your research work in minimum time? If yes, yeah, this video is for you. Stay with us till the end of this video so that you can learn how to oh, set the goals and plannings so that you can complete your research work in minimum time. First one, coming to the building the strong foundation of your knowledge, and then understanding what is already been done, and then setting the problems, structuring your plan, and getting the technical skills, and then the validate your research approach, then communicating your research clearly. Yeah, let's discuss this one by one. First of all, you just have to break the PhD into the major milestones, dividing the PhD into the big goals. Example like literature review, research proposal approval, and the data collection, experiments, data analysis, research publication, thesis writing, obviously the thesis defense, right? Coming to the main important routine should be the 2 to 3 hours reading paper, 3 to 4 hours of experiment or analysis, and 1 hour writing notes. And the consistency is the main key point here. So the next goal is building the strong foundation of the knowledge. Yeah, obviously understand your research area so that you can get to know what has already been done. And how can you conduct the literature review? Yeah, obviously go through the databases available such as the Google Scholar, Scopus, and Web of Sciences. Yeah, read the recent papers last 5 to 10 years. Finding the problem is the main important key point. Yeah, identify the research gap from your literature review, understand the question, and then the limitations in existing studies conflicting the results. Discuss the possible gaps with your supervisor, and then create the focus research objective, define the research question, convert the gap into the clear research question or the hypothesis. Yeah, you just need to develop the research proposal, which includes introduction, literature review, the research question, methodology, expected outcome, timeline. Here, then you can also use the Mendeley or EndNote referencing tools to organize the references. Yeah, decide how you will answer the research questions, choose the research methodology. It might be the quantitative method or the qualitative method or mixed method. And then coming to the technical skills that you have to develop according to the research methodology you are proposing here. And then the validating your research approach, start the pilot experiments or the initial study, conduct a small preliminary experiments or simulations, test whether your method works or not. Yeah. The next step is discover the patterns, relationships, or the findings and analyze the data. It could be done using the statistical or the computational method. And then write and present your work. Start writing early and literature review chapter, methodology chapter, and then conference papers. Present your research work in seminars, conference meetings, and you also can communicate to the journals. Yeah, the tips for the beginner is you have to read 1 to 3 papers per day, and then you have to maintain the notebook. The main important is just discuss with your supervisor regularly and maintain consistency. Thank you for your precious time. Yeah, this is for today. And then if you like this video, you just like, subscribe, and share with your friends, and keep in touch with us so that you can get more updates on this soon. Thank you.